Hello, my name is Daniela Torres Alvarez, and in this video I will present an organizational barrier in educational management and two strategies to address it. The selected scenario is financial constraints. A rural school faces severe budget limitations, which make it difficult to implement inclusive practices and acquire technological resources that support students' learning. These situations represent a challenge for many rural schools because the available resources are limited and this can affect students' learning opportunities. The first strategy to address this barrier is to promote strategic partnerships with external organizations, such as universities, governmental institutions, or organizations that develop educational support programs. These partnerships are important because they allow schools to access technological resources, educational materials, and teacher training opportunities that may be difficult to obtain using only the institutional budget. In addition, these collaborations can support the development of educational projects that integrate digital tools and innovative teaching methods in the classroom. In this way, schools can strengthen teaching and learning processes and expand educational opportunities for students, especially in rural contexts where resources are more limited. To understand whether these partnerships are generating positive results, schools can also observe some indicators, such as the number of partnerships created and the technological resources obtained through these collaborations, or the increase in students' access to digital learning tools. It's also important to consider some challenges that may appear during this process. For example, the sustainability of donations or administrative procedures that may delay the implementation of some projects. And the second strategy is to strengthen institutional budget management through more strategic financial planning. This means that schools should carefully analyze their educational needs and prioritize those that have the greatest impact on students' learning. Through better financial planning, institutions can use their available resources more efficiently and direct investments toward areas that improve the teaching and learning process. Schools can also integrate free or low-cost technological tools that support learning without generating high expenses. To evaluate the impact of this strategy, schools can consider indicators such as a better use of educational resources, and greater access to technological tools for students, and the incorporation of digital resources that support inclusive teaching practices, while educational leaders should also consider challenges related to limited resources and the need to maintain continuous financial planning. Thank you for your attention.